Hey there, welcome back to Milky. Today, we've got a crucial topic for all you Shopify store owners out there. We're going to show you how to verify your Shopify store with the Google search engine in a step-by-step guide. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Sign in to your Google Search Console account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, we'll walk you through that too. Just head over to Google Search Console. On the left corner, click Add Property. Select the property type. Select URL prefix type. Copy the HTML meta tag to add to your Shopify store HTML. This is my Shopify store. Go shopping now and get a Robo Champion hoodie at a discount. Head over to your Shopify admin. In your Shopify admin, go to Settings and select Online Store. Edit code. Under Layout, click Theme Squid. Add the HTML meta tag to the head tag. And there you have it. You've successfully verified your Shopify store with the Google search engine. Now your site will be indexed and your store's information will appear in Google search results.
We did it, baby! Woo! Woo!
Thank you for your cooperation. Good night.